So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Myself Sheetal Bhatt and I am also an aspirant of CS. So in today's video we are going to cover all the things regarding pre-test. I knew that you ever heard about pre-test, but it basically means that ICSI wanted to check whether you had completed your syllabus or not. So that's why they are conducting pre-test in which you have to attempt 50 MCQ of 100 marks, 2 marks each, and in which qualifying marks are 40 out of 100. So if you are giving module 1, then you have to appear for 4 subject of module 1. I think you know that, which is GIGL, SBEC, company law and tax laws. But if you are appearing in both modules, then you have to appear pre-test for both modules. So without any delay, let's start. So here first of all we have to open Google, then we just have to type pre-test CS. Okay, then the first thing which is appearing, online pre-examination test ICSI, we have to click on it, and then there will be a portal in which there are executive professionals, so we have to give pre-test of executive. Then module 1, if you are giving both group, then you have to attempt both module, and if you are aiming for single group, then you have to appear for particular group only. Okay, so now I am writing my login ID, which is 2410. And then password. So if you hadn't received any mail from TCS-ION, um, do you know that after registration we get an email from TCS-ION with our particular ID and password. So basically by default, if you hadn't changed it, then your password is learn@1234, and then you have to click on change password, and then you can change your password. So I am writing my changed password. Then keep me signed in, and then log in. So this would be your particular portal. If you have any query regarding this and you hadn't seen this, then you may comment below. I will be resolving your queries. All right. So yeah, here is it. Online pre-examination test executive module 1, and as you know that I hadn't completed it, so I had 4 assessment left and 0.0% completed. So you have to complete it before your examination, and if you are just wanted to file form, exam form, then you won't be able to do that if you hadn't attempt pre-examination and if you hadn't completed your ODOP. So there are just two basic things which you have to complete. First one is ODOP and second one is pre-examination test. Then you will be able to complete to fill your form of what? Of your exam. So here you have to select launch course, and then yeah, here's it. The passing marks are 40 out of 100, in which you have to attempt 50 question, and as you had seen that I had given 0. And the best thing about it is that you have 99 attempts. All right. So you have plenty of time. I guess 60 minutes you have to solve 50 questions. And if you want to start it, then just click on start assessment. I'm going to give you a demo. Oh yeah, you have 1 hour. All right. Yeah, so I have read and understood the instructions and agree to adhere to them, and I'm ready to begin. Okay. Yeah, which have issued stock option shall maintain a register of employees. So there is basically a benefit for employees, which is known as e-shop. So उसका फॉर्म नंबर यार मेरे को याद नहीं है, सॉरी. तो ऐसे ही आप दे सकते हो अपने, ठीक है. और भी एक दो क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं कि अब तो कुछ और आता हो. कंपनी सेक्रेटरी हैज सर्टिफाइड एन एनुअल रिटर्न विच कंटेन्स रॉन्ग इन्फॉर्मेशन. ये तो आई गेस उसमें भी था, हमारा जो सी सेट था ना, उसमें भी ये क्वेश्चंस है. देन हमारा कॉपी ऑफ फाइंडिंग अप, कितने दिन में हमें वो करनी पड़ती है. फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट बताओ. ऐसे करके ना आपके ना 50 क्वेश्चंस हैं. देखो ऐसे करके आपके टोटल 50 क्वेश्चन है, 2 मार्क्स ईच. और वो क्वेश्चंस उसमें मतलब क्राइटेरिया है कि आपको 100 में से 40 लेके आना है बस. सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट एंडिंग इट, क्योंकि अभी मैं नहीं दे रही, मेरा सिलेबस कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ. ठीक है. सो ऐसे करके आप अपना जो प्री टेस्ट है उसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हो. आपके पास 99 अटेम्प्ट्स हैं. सो आई थिंक बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम है ये देखो एक अटेम्प्ट दिख गया ना, मेरा एक अटेम्प्ट लग गया. वो मैं तुम्हें डेमो दे रही थी. ठीक है. सो जल्दी जल्दी अपना प्री टेस्ट कंप्लीट करो और अपना एग्ज़ाम फॉर्म फिल करो. देन वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर, और आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. और आपका पेपर भी बहुत अच्छा जाए, और जल्दी से सिलेबस कंप्लीट करो और रिवीजन करो और PYQ स्कैनर सॉल्व करो. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.